So we have entered our first day at the Guacamayo Lodge in the Amazon. This is a package for 3 nights, 4 days for $260. And we just had our first lunch. It's siesta time, and then we're going to do some night swimming and hopefully see some dolphins. You can go up to the lookout tower, see some awesome stars. And here's the huts that everyone stays in. We're in this one. And then we got the hammock, where Matt's already positioned himself with a new book. It's November 18th and our second day in the jungle. Last night we slept like princesses. The mosquito net really helped. We didn't get bit at all. And it's 6:30 in the morning and we're gonna go piranha fishing. $5 as I get one before Matt does.
Basic stick, hook, with a barb actually, which is nice, and piece of beef. Try to catch these piranhas. So you just put it in the water. Do a little splash. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
And then you watch the top of the line. I think they took it already.
Lift it up. Damn, those piranhas are no mercy.
Dude, they just take you, like once you feel the bite, you have to yank.
And this is the exact water that you swim in. But you'll be fine as a human, but me, cat.
Yeah, for some reason they don't like humans.
Yeah, you got skill.
Oh, the lines.
You feel them nibbling by right there, yeah?
Yeah.
You look neat.
Yeah.
Go, Baba.
Oh, I got him, dude. He's right on there. Oh, the meat's
They're
gone.
pulling. No? Yes.
The meat's gone, I think.
Tissy?
Yeah!
Good job, man.
He believes in that fucking
Don't get
flop.
any close.
Oh, that's a big one, right? Hey, so
the meat as well. Let him see. Look. Listen.
Oh my goodness.
See? He could be your vegetable cutter.
Oh my god.
This is why it's actually dangerous, you know, to play with it. Look. You hear it, cock.
Yeah,
Look
wow.
at the teeth.
Oh my. Alright, we've been bit up a couple times, but we're walking in the jungle, doing like a 3-hour walking tour. And we saw frogs, marching ants, flying monkeys. It's cool.
Okay. Okay, now put it back inside and then like kind of play a little bit, and your tongue will feel rough, dry. The very end, the very tip.
Don't swallow? Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That was really dry.
So it's supposed to be a bit tanglish and dry. It numbs it a little bit. It has to be completely pure coming out, which is red sap. One drop. I've done it. One drop. You put it and it numbs your tongue for a few minutes, not hours. But in this case, maybe in a few minutes, you will not be able to speak. You will be like,
Thanks.
yeah. But don't worry, it will last only one day. I'm just kidding. Nah, that's
He's not scared, huh?
not because you put it on the leaf, so it pretends like
He's a leaf.
esta que es la X o Botrops. Botrops atrops.
Kilomètres sur les rails. J'ai fait sur mon terrain. Si la proximité, prends-le. Ouais.
Holy shit.
Barbecue. Guide, roasted guide. A little bit.
You've got one here.
Does it taste like lemon?
Come here. Lemon, yeah. Really like lemon,
Really?
for sure.
Yes.
Lemon with better.
Lemon, but better.
Yeah.
Like no, like
lemon ice cream.
Yeah?
yeah.
Wow. Could you eat it all the time?
Really?
Yeah, sit there. Keep it there. I will let you know. Keep it there. Keep it there. Keep it there.
Ah oui, c'est tout.
Now, do it.
Is it tickle?
All over. And now smell. And let everyone smell your hand. See?
Ah ouais. C'est so bizarre.
Ooh, yeah.
What does it smell like? Ooh.
There's Maria swimming in the Amazon. How is it, Bob?
It's so warm. It's so good. Come on in.
Alright, I'm coming. Look at that. So nice.
What are you doing, Bob?
Bonjour.
We're peeling, so they roasted chocolate beans and we're deshelling them
Yeah, mira.
and putting the fresh ones in here.
Toca pelar, yeah?
Then they'll mix it with sugar and butter. And they'll put it in the grinder to make it like a smooth chocolate. We'll put it in the refrigerator and have a chocolate bar later.
Si trata de sacarle lo de adentro.
Ah, okay.
Sí. Solo le aprietas. This. Brighter. This color, the abdomen is very bright red. Yeah, this is a female. These guys, they even dig their own holes, their nest. Yeah, they can make their own nest. These ones live only on the ground. Oh, yeah. See? Look. See?
Oh,
The pinchos, yeah?
this is a big
They
pincher.
move so fast, like crabs, sideways, very fast, okay? Okay, don't move. Close your eyes.
No.
No, yeah. You said that you're gonna volunteer. Yeah.
Look at his, look at his face. He said no.
Yeah. No. It's easy. Easy. No worry.
Ferme les yeux. T'es mort, frérot, t'es mort.
Okay. You're fine. It's fine. It's good. It's good.
Ouais. Ferme les yeux, mon gars. Ferme les yeux, ferme la bouche.
You're doing good, man.
Yeah, they use these apparatus to lay eggs on the bark of the trees or in the ground.
Does it have an old, like, leaf?
I think it's just no. It's not part of him, but.
Good morning.
Good morning.
It's day 3 in the Amazon.
Day 3 in the Amazon.
I have been bit up so much. My ass has doubled the size because of all the bug bites.
Your cheeks are lopsided.
Yeah, but it's been really fun. Yesterday we went and did like a night walk. That was amazing. Saw a bunch of different insect and buggies. And what else did we do yesterday? We swam in the little river that's right here. And we did a sunset swim again. And today we're going to take a 2-hour bus ride to go see a little village where they're going to make bread and stuff for us. And then a shaman. Ooh, 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 ooh. So this is where a few people live. It's a kitchen also. And this is like a hangout area where our food's getting cooked back there. It's amazing. Woo! Very good. That's nice.
Yeah. Like refreshing. It injects it. My Amazonian housewife. What are you doing, Bubba?
Yuca. Grading yuca.
Grading yuca.
That's awesome. Did you guys do anything then?
You did it.
Yeah.
Look at that. Yucca bread.
Wow. You get it?
You blow hard, man. You're good at blowing.
She's a little wild.